Hi friends, in this video, I'm going to give you the demo of the new development IBim Ferrule. This is a system component. It will actually replace face ferrules and ferrule custom components. The reason for developing this system component is I have been receiving a lot of inquiries about issues on these two custom components from my clients. So let's see how this application works. Now you can see here you have different types: generic ferrule, ancon, reed, and nexus. So once you select the type, it will automatically update the list. You can see the finish, and it will automatically read the names. For example, if I change this one to 90 and click on any of the fields, it will change the name here. For example, let me also select M24. So you don't have to change the name manually. If you are going to use this component for propping, so just select yes, and then it will automatically add the name as prefix. It comes with the predefined part prefix and assembly prefix, but if you want to change it, select use prefix, and then you can change the part prefix start number and assembly prefix and assembly start number. Let's see how this application works. Once you click apply, pick the panel and then pick 2 points to create. This will automatically read the cast unit form face, and based on the position, it will place it correctly. For example, if I change this one to far side and modify, and both sides, and it will also fill the user defined attributes. Let me go to user defined attributes. You can see here comment, product code, product description. And if I go to the custom, you can see the position is both sides and type is ferrule. Let me change this one to near side and modify. And then once you click get, you can see the position now. So what about if I use auto option? Let me select the panel and pick 2 points. Now you can see based on the cast unit form face and the 2 points that you pick, it will assign either this is the near side or far side. This is the far side. Let me pick 2 points in the opposite direction. Now you can see this is the near side. If I go and inquire the cast unit form face, so this is the cast unit form face. Let me change this one. Right click, go to the user defined attributes and change the top in form face to front, modify, and then redraw the view. Let me select all these three and click modify. Now if I go and select, you can see this is the far side because the cast unit form face on the other side of the panel, and near side, and you can see this is near side. And this will also be automatically added as sub-assemblies to the panel. Let me just move it inside so that it makes more meaningful. See the side face of the panel, you can see here. Let me just go and hide the panel as an assembly. Now you can see it also hides the ferrules. That indicates all the ferrules are added to the panel by default. This application will definitely be a huge time saver for precast detailer. If you have any question, feel free to get in touch with me, and thank you for watching this video.